Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to auto-log in Windows 11. To start, you can see that access to Windows is with a password. After login, in the search box, enter the command netpolwiz. Run this command. Now uncheck the box. Users must enter a username and password to use this computer. When you click Apply, you must enter your current password. Click OK. To check the auto login, reboot Windows. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.